All right, the leak is actually, it's a big one, and it's right there at the fitting. That's why it was down in this area and it was blowing me out, because it's the stupid fucking retrofit fitting. Because the stupid fucking EPA nitrogen. So this stupid shit stuff, especially when they just put one on. So you can't put a retrofit fitting here because the power steering line is right here. So it's so big and thick and tall that'd be impossible. So they only put one. I just leave them off when you have these instances. And I found so many leaks caused by the retrofit fittings, losing refrigerant. The EPA literally caused more refrigerant to be spewed out into air by mandating these stupid retrofit fittings that usually get put in incorrectly in the first place. The EPA is personally responsible for more release of refrigerant to the air than all the hack jobs with the whack-off cans and part stores.